YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm back with a recipe video. So I'm basically going to show you guys my smoothie, my protein smoothie that I have every single day. This is for the gains, this is for the weight loss, this is for the muscle definition, right? I'm big into eating the right foods and enough of the right foods. So today you guys are going to see exactly how I make my smoothies and what I put into it. This is also fantastic for like a meal replacement. Let's say you don't eat breakfast, this will be great to have in the place of that. It's great before a workout or after a workout. It's just really packed with nutrients. I'm really excited to share with you dolls my recipe for today. So I'm going to be using my NutriBullet. So I have the largest blending cup for this today, and I'm going to be adding in a banana. Got these from the market today and they got bruised, so hopefully it's still good. Oh yeah, it's perfectly fine. Not the sweetest, but it's best to use your bananas when they're spotted. This way you have a nice natural sugar going on. So banana packed with carbs, has your magnesium, your potassium, all the good stuff. And I'm also going to be adding in some frozen strawberries. I really like frozen fruit for smoothies because it makes it icy and cold, almost like a slushy, right? And the flavor is just really good. I know when you have frozen fruits, they are flash frozen at their like prime, like when they're nice and ripe, so they're nice and sweet and juicy and delicious. So I'm going to add a few strawberries to my smoothie. Usually I'd measure this out, but now I'm so used to like eyeballing everything, I know exactly how much to put into my smoothies. So that's about a cup of strawberries. Carbs. I love carbs. Carbs are my friend. I'm not afraid to eat carbs. So I like to add oats, raw oats, into my smoothies to, one, make me full. Also it gives me the fiber, and of course the carbs as well. Just a lot of energy throughout the day, so I'm just going to be doing 1/4 of a cup. Super good. It's going to taste amazing when we blend it all together. Next, I'm going to be adding in a nut butter. You could use whatever you like. For me, I personally prefer using raw almond butter in the creamy version. I get mine from Trader Joe's, and this is good for healthy fats. If I could open it, oh my gosh, carpal tunnel. Oh, what's wrong with this? Ooh, that was a mission. I don't know what's up with this, but I like this brand from Trader Joe's because the only ingredient is almonds. There's no sugar, there's no salt added into it, no oils. So you're really getting all the nutrients and the benefits of almonds just in a different form at its natural state. So this has just been a nightmare for me to open today for some reason. So I'm just gonna add about a tablespoon or so. Definitely wanna give it a good stir because a lot of the nut butter will kind of separate a little bit, but I like a healthy serving of this. For me, I know my body strives off of healthy fats like oils and nut butters, stuff like that. So I like to try to incorporate it in a lot of my meals. So, oh my god, it smells so good. It just makes it so creamy too. Oh my god. I'm gonna lick the rest off the spoon. Next, I'm gonna be adding my protein powder. Today I'm using the Blessed plant-based protein in strawberry milk. This I just did a review on my YouTube channel, so if you're interested in this brand in general and you want to, you know, do some research, find out if I like it with a taste test / unboxing first impression, definitely check out that video. I'll drop a link in the description box below, but just use whatever protein powder that you guys like. I'm gonna definitely recommend that you switch over to a vegan, plant-based protein for this. My experience with whey protein, it just causes a lot of gassiness, bloating, and just discomfort. So that's why I recommend a plant-based protein. So I'm just gonna do 1 serving of this, which is 23 grams of protein, which is gonna be really great for the gains. And this flavor is strawberry milk, so that's why I like to do strawberries with this. And now you can pick your liquid of choice. I like to use, again, a nut milk, a dairy-free beverage. So today I'm gonna be using the Almond Breeze Almond Milk in Original. I will probably, so I'll do half almond milk and then I'll fill the rest of this up to like the line of max with water. This way I don't get a really thick, chunky smoothie, being that I did put oats in here along with the protein powder and my fruit. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. And the last thing I'm gonna add is a superfood. This is an adaptogen. It is maca powder, yellow maca. And this has so many health benefits. I definitely encourage you dolls to do your own research aside from just watching this video, but it helps to naturally balance out your hormones. Yellow maca is specifically made or grown naturally for women, and I love it so much. I do notice that it gives me a natural boost of energy, and a little bit of this stuff goes a very long way, so I'm probably doing about a teaspoon or so into my smoothie. The natural boost of energy, the hormone balancing properties. It also gives you a little bit of a boost in your sex drive if you need a little bit of that. So, I mean, it does so many more amazing things for you, so definitely recommend checking that out. So I'm gonna add the lid to my blender and I'm just gonna blend all this stuff together. I think I added enough liquid, but honestly everyone likes their smoothies a little bit different. Some people like it more thick, some people are like me and they like it nice and thin. So just blend it, make it how you like it, add whatever fruit you have on hand, use your own protein powder. You just kind of get the gist of what I'm talking about when you need to have a well-balanced meal, right? So you want your protein, your healthy carbs, and the nutrients from your fruits, and that's what this has. Plus the addition of the superfoods like the maca powder. It's just amazing, it's delicious. So we're gonna blend it up. Oh yeah, that's the consistency that I love. And I love the fact that this turned out to be the perfect shade of pink. Definitely wanted to enhance my protein powder with the strawberry flavor, and I did get a little bit of that nut butter stuck here, but for the most part, it's nice and blended. And just a little pro tip, I love to serve my smoothies over ice just to keep them nice and chilled. Nothing is worse than a super thick, warm, room temperature smoothie. Sorry, my dog is being so sassy today, but this is literally the most amazing smoothie. It tastes delicious, and of course it wouldn't be complete without a smoothie straw. Yes, I have these stainless steel smoothie sized straws. I'll link these below along with my jars. I don't know why, I just don't ever drink out of actual glassware. Jars and mason jars, I like to upcycle them and use them for drinking glasses. So mix in that ice, chill the smoothie a little bit more, makes it easier in my opinion to drink. And we're going to enjoy this. It smells like a strawberry milkshake. It tastes like one too. Now, if your bananas are spotted, it's gonna be even sweeter and more delicious than mine is today. You can also freeze your bananas when they're ripe and always have them handy when you need them for your smoothies. So like I said, I drink mine as like a meal. I eat small mini meals throughout the day. I would definitely consider this to be a meal. So for me, for example, I do intermittent fasting, so I don't ever have my first meal until the afternoon. And right now it is 2:21. And this is the first meal that I'm having in my day. So that's just a little bit of a breakdown on when I like to have my smoothies. I'll have them as desserts oftentimes because they're nice and sweet and delicious. And if I don't want to do all this extra work of adding all these ingredients, I will still have my protein shakes. I'll just mix a scoop of protein powder with some almond milk in a shaker cup and I'll have that. But if I want something more filling and something that's gonna satisfy and give me all of those nutrients that I need in a well-balanced diet, this is definitely something I recommend, especially with the oats. The oats are a game changer. If you can't get down like a big bowl of oatmeal in the morning, throw it in your smoothie. This is perfect. You're gonna be so full. And I always notice when I wake up the next day, yo, my stomach is flat. Like, she's flat. There's abs popping out. There's things popping out, definition I didn't even know that I had, because I feel like the fiber really allows you to digest your food, and you know, you eat, you go to the bathroom, you get rid of it. It doesn't stick in your stomach, it doesn't sit there for days, and it doesn't rot in you. It just goes in, it goes out. It's amazing. So try this recipe out. Let me know in the comments down below if you did and if you loved it. Oh, I'll link my protein and my NutriBullet and everything basically in the video in the description box. So until next time, I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you are looking for more weight loss inspiration, motivation, workouts, meal ideas, meal prep, what I eat in a day, then definitely check out my whole entire weight loss journey, fitness journey playlist. Again, I'll drop the link in the description box for you guys. And until next time, I'll see you dolls in my next vlog. Bye!